Where do you think you are going to?
My working.
Who did you leave that soured soup for?
Okay, the soured soup.
Mbao, soured gari. Abura soup. Since you don't know your duties in this house, then you're supposed to warm the soup last night, eh?
You will not lick the sour soup. The soup has already soured, so let us forget the soured and cook a fresh one to enjoy a fresh soup.
Oh, whose pocket? Give me the money I used to prepare another one now. Give me the money. Which money where is to prepare another one? First. I should leave. Okay, my brother now, but what is happening?
Go inside. Can't you see I'm talking with my wife?
I should go inside and she's holding you tight.
I'm talking with my wife because buy me.
Do you know what will happen? You will go back inside and eat the soup. You not only eat it, you will lick it and enjoy it. Says Uju baby. Let's go back inside. What woman is this? What for it? What? Sit down there. Take it. What? Start licking it. No, I can't talk. I need to baroka. Lick it. Oh, Queen, Ina Alachia, Ina Church. Why are you finding your face? Laugh. Smile. 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 Chika! I'm not taking that door. I'll deal with it if I come outside there. Licky! Lick your fingers. Through your hand.
When I was coming out, my wife asked me to eat my breakfast. I said I'm already late for work, and this guy is keeping us here. Yeah, let us come and begin to start to be going now for the work. Look at you, for minutes. Look at the way you are talking in this, as if you are going to your factory or your house. Eh? Was it not this Uncle Boo that brought this job? You said we shall begin the job. Eh? What is your problem? You're the one saying here that you're hungry. Eh? You say you're hungry, you're looking at my face and complaining to me of hunger as if I am Ministry of Agriculture. What exactly am I going to do to you right now? I say, okay, let us come and begin to start to be going. And you're doing you're punching your mouth and doing. Are you fire extinguisher?
It has finished.
Are you sure?
Google.
Let me see. Okay. You can now go to work. Go where? Okay, make sure you come back with money, oh. Come back with money for fresh soup. Also, the bar can go with Jim.
Can you imagine?
What did she do this time?
Can you imagine? She purposely dragged Ola inside the house just to eat a sour food.
Eh? For what?
She said Boda was supposed to warm the food. Then they've been working at warm food.
Chalukwa, did I hear you say, or Bianu just said that my brother is supposed to warm food for her? As I made the what? Is that your mad? Is that just wait, let me instruct my girls on what? Sister, don't gather right now. I will show her today that even if she's mad, in fact, I'm coming.
Jumbo, look at, listen, you're a man, you're not a woman. Look at the time you are coming to your job, eh? My brother, you people should not be angry, oh. It was my wife, oh. After dressing on, in fact, I've already dressed up to go. My wife said, no! Say, why will I go? Why will I leave the house without eating? That I must take my breakfast. I said, let me just take my breakfast. You put on way to that. Hey! Uncle! Jumbo! Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. Look at you. You are not ashamed of yourself. Your wife asked you to stay back and eat your breakfast, and you agreed. What if they sack you from your job now, and your wife asks you for money tomorrow, and you make some statements? You are fired. Well, you are right, but you know, you people shouldn't be, waiting for me. Why will you people be here waiting for me? When you have him here, once you have him and you are here already, go. Later I will come and complete the job. Okay. Yeah. But I should eat. I have to. Holiness, you didn't hear me. Talk now to the fear. There is nothing to talk. John Bull. You see, I don't like to attack person when person have not done anything wrong. What this man is doing is correct. You see? Your wife telling you that make it a cigar for her is a job before you come out and go work is the best thing. Yes, because that is what a good wife is supposed to, especially when that good wife or you make, you need to carry her. I hold it, baby. Baby, it will begin to the blood. It will begin to rubber. It will lick in ear. You lick in ear. You tie and pampers. You tie and napkin. And you begin to cry. And the wife will begin to vex. He said, no. Why you cry? He go knock her. Yeah, Duru. Duru, you are here. Come, let's go. Duru, this is a conspiracy. What kind of thing is this? Come, let's go. Is this your plan? Come. Let's go. Hold him so that you will not fall inside the gutter. Hold him. I don't know if you are drunk. Come on. We answer. I had already decided to come and begin to serve. If not that, I am very happy. Come. That I have a people. Why are you doing this? I don't have direction. You have a direction. Why are you doing this? I don't have direction. I can decide to go this side. We are going to our work. Imagine, because I have God blessed me with a beautiful wife. And she said, I sat. She said, get up, I get up. And you people are here beating me.
Oh, come out. I don't even want to stay upstairs. I don't even want to start asking this question upstairs. Obenuju, tell me when it has become a man's duty to warm food and a woman's duty to eat.
Biko, ask her.
Hey. To start with, because they are shouting in my house. Hey! Do I need to remind you people that your so-called brother is a tenant in this house? And as for the issue of warming food, he's my husband. He can do anything I want him to do. Thank God you said he's your husband and not your wife. Because as well as I know, it is the wife's duty to clean the house and cook food for the husband to eat, not the other way around. Anna man, are you the husband or are you the wife? Obenuju, can't you go to get Are you mad? Ask him, is him Bakadi? Are you a mad person? Yes! Is it me or Obenuju? You're full in madness.
You see madness now.
You are full in
madness. You get madness.
Duro, you go quick use this long stick. Now this long stick I dey wait for. Now make I dey chop this groundnut.
Long what? For what?
For turning now. Who want use this? Just make all these things context extend my hand.
Long. See, respect yourself. Oh.
You I beg you. Not say this long stick originally na my own.
Your own. As a tall person or short person.
You get what I just see now. I know baptism with water. You is going to be with soap.
For what? Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Now. You mean now, as in now?
No, like pronoun.
Okay, I'm coming now. Now.
Who be that?
Who be that?
Oh, my wife.
I don't say that your wife. You don't need to tell me.
Where is my wife?
No, what do you want to do now?
I want to get to the house to see what is going on. Then I'll come back.
Make sure you come back. You cover me.
And when they cover me.
Cover you as what? As duvet or blanket?
How many hours when you don't come to this job, when this woman they call you for phone, come back?
No, something important.
Important.
She dare not call me for something that is.
Okay, go.
I'm coming. Cover me up.
Cover you as waiting as a blanket. I mean, a duvet. Overcrop.
So no.
This lady.
Just leave her. Take it just the water.
This man, he can love.
Nyala. Stupid girl. Nonsense girl. She's mad. Let her try me next time. How is my face?
It's fine.
My hair is not scattered. See, if Obianuju tries nonsense again, if she misbehaves, don't stress yourself running down here. Just call me on the phone. I will come and remind her again that small body no be sickness.
She will not do anything. When you hug me, I don't respect her because of brother. If I go back to the house, you many things stupid. I will scatter the house.
I trust you one them. Atrubolu. If rock all this.
Then I will check on you. Go back to
the house. Go back that I'm looking at. Let me show you going home. Stupid girl. Nonsense. Let her time you.
Can I not here? Who is here?
I am here.
Please, how much?
20 naira.
For one or two?
For one.
For one.
I want kitchen.
Two.
Hey, now the back home one and me see too.
I promise also. Okay, but don't worry. I won't know mom they can kill you. A gem no.
Oh, why you doing this?
Oh, yeah, five years, no. Oh, you're not in web, not you. Aquata.
Now allow me to get that inside.
I will not get out of your way. Can't call police for me. I'm waiting for you.
Please allow me to enter inside the house.
Hey, no,
this is my brother's house, and I have every right to enter inside anytime I want.
Look at you. Brother, yeah, those people wear brother. If they come out, you use this your two left legs and come out. Abi, you wear brother. You don't know your brother is just a tenant in this house.
You don't have time for your stress. You know, you
have to pass through me to enter the house.
Okay. Hey, I'm not keeping quiet though.
I'll break you to two.
Come outside here. Come here.
What is it?
Come outside here.
What is it? What is it?
You're asking me, you don't know. You had the guts to fuck my wife.
So you're flogging me because of that useless wife? You're flogging your sister because of that useless thing?
If after what you did, the offense you have already committed, on top of it, you are calling my wife before me useless.
She's even more than useless.
More than... She's your sister now, you don't have to flog her. Who is my sister?
Leave me alone!
Okay,
Leave me alone!
this one, let me tell you, this one is more than an enemy. Enemy is even a brother or a sister to me. She's an enemy. I'm going to treat her, deal with her as an enemy. Let me issue you this warning. Let me issue you this warning. In fact, don't worry, don't worry. Informer, when you see me, face the other side. Do not near me. Tomorrow, do not say I did not warn you. Informer, stay off from me. Anything that concerns me or my wife, don't even come close. Don't come to my house. Full stop. I best know no. I best gonna be. I best gonna be more.
Lele! Omo kabana amuro. Rojobu, your house is our house. Make sure you can walk wine. Make sure no. Rojobu, let me tell you, your wife is our wife. Inania, your house is our house, and I'll come to your house.
Where's your uncle?
Okay, his wife called him and he went out.
His wife called him?
One of his brother is mad now.
No, wait. He told me. So I'm cover-upping. That's what I...
Okay, you're covering him up.
I'm cover-upping for him.
Listen to me. Hope that you people know that I have the right to sack and deploy whosoever I want.
Sorry, nah, it has not gotten to this.
Why must you say that you are covering him up?
Keep your voice down. Don't behave as if you're selling rat poison. What are you talking about? Calm down now.
Are you insane?
Keep your hand down. What is that? You're carrying hand, put it on top of your head. It looks like you want to do my head, my shoulder, my knees and toes. Keep your hand down.
You're shouting at your manager.
Now where you did that I have to talk loud so that you hear. But the thing is that all these things you're saying, you're releasing speech towards this direction. Put your mouth this side. The way you talk, see your speech be like snake, but he dey climb up.
I'm spitting on you.
No, like you
your manager is spitting on you.
No, I'm not spitting. It is by nature. It the thing they escape from your mouth.
So you have grown up enough in this country to challenge me. I know what I'm doing. Oh, I was the one that employed you in this factory. I have the same power.
Somebody died.
Somebody died.
Yes.
Sorry.
Okay, his wife died.
You don't talk about this. I'm covering for him. I am sorry, no offense.
You have become now a double human being.
See, let me tell you, if they sack me for this job, short.
Who is he?
Only God.
Who is he? Is he deputy God?
Look at you. You are short because your wife is feeding you.
I'm even saving you. Your eye just they look this man straight and he has a poisonous spit. The moment he talk like this, let that spit enter inside your eye, you'll just be blind. For you to sack you and for you to be blind, which one bad pass?
If you take your time, I'm going to throw you down now. Out of my house! Tofi, Ona.
But then why are you bundling me out like a corpse?
Also, what kind of woman? If you near me now, I will see you. Yeah. You are not in this house to fight my wife. She's my lovely wife. My lovely wife. Who are you?
Go out! Go and live with Ifeoma. Get out!
Take this nonsense. You are here to fight my wife. Don't worry.
Get out!
Come, let me plaster your I know. Plaster your face, idiot.
Go inside it.
You meet Chika and Ifeoma have the effrontery, the audacity to beat up my own elder sister. One name, hey, Mama, they will not go scot-free. In fact, I am going there. I will deal with them.
Chinasa, you will not go. I will go there first to find out why John Bull allowed the sisters to beat up my own daughter.
Mama, relax. Mama, allow us to go there so we can do it 2 against 2. Adebwa, Aidebwa. Can't you ever go? But what is the meaning of
Amara?
this?
I said I'll go there first.
Mama, you have said your own, no? Okay, Amara, let's go. Where are you going? Mama? Amara and Chinasa.
John Bull. Say to go Konegwa, they will dance to it.
What do you think? Kifichi. Sister, don't mind me. We must go there. Hey, Jelu. Now my sister is talking. Look at Chika. Chika okay. Beat my sister. My own sister. One name came. Sister. I will show her. I will teach her a lesson she will not forget. Hey, Mechaya Ogamana Chinasa. Oh, Mopo Chinasa. Sister, don't say you will show her. We will show them. I get Akufa blue and black. Okay, let Mama visit them and return. Then I wait here. I Aguahana. Obianu Jumure one. She has sister. They thought she's alone. She is not alone. She has sister. Yes.
Hey, what happened? Imagine, my wife, she actually called me out just for me to go to chemist or go to market and get her running stomach medicine. And I said, for what? Why will you give me such a call? You called me out just for me to go and buy you medicine. What happened to your own legs? I dealt with her.
You dealt with your wife?
For her not to try such nonsense again.
Yes. Thank you for dealing with her.
Shut up, Itarancha.
You are supporting him. He dealt with his wife. You are supporting him.
Yes, you yourself, and you are happy.
Why would the woman laugh? Why would she called me out from my work and go and buy her drugs? Why wouldn't I dealt with her? I dealt with her.
I congratulate you for dealing with her. Yes. As a matter of fact, the manager came. I dealt it with him.
Manager? I congratulate you too for dealing with the manager.
Are you happy?
Yes. What are you saying?
We are already sacked. If you see the way he was shouting at our manager, our own manager, now bros, they will sack us.
We have a lot of companies need people, need workers. We can even start our own company. Let me go and turn the oil. Cut the soap.
I'm good. Why did your brother behave that way?
Nebo, I don't know what my brother's wife has given to him. Amarom cha-cha, I don't know.
How?
Can you believe that all my brother did to me today was because of his wife?
I still don't understand.
Oh, you were not around. You were not around. It's not enough you opened the shop. I was in my shop. Oh. My younger sister came to report to me that my brother's wife was maltreating him. Then I went to meet her. Obienuju, why are you maltreating my brother? Obuchakwa.
You mean you went there to defend him?
Asking that I went to defend my brother. Then he turned around to come and embarrass me.
That means maybe under his spell and he needs serious deliverance. Serious one.
Nebo, you get sense. Hi!
Uncle Jumbo, Uncle Jumbo, Emeregi Emeregi
No, we will wait. Oh, he know he's supposed to give us money today. Where is him?
But waiting, we waiting be the proper thing.
You people can wait now. My own thing is I have to go to my wife's shop. I want to go and help her to pack.
Right.
And you are concurring. You are nodding your head. Yes. What is yes there? And what is no there? As if you heard this man correctly. The man said, I don't want to wait. It means the money is not important now. That what is important is for him to go to the shop and then help the wife and pack the goods. And they are nodding. Look at Tripo. Who are you to your wife?
I am the honorable personal assistant to my honorable wife on shop packing matters.
Can you hear? Honorable assistant commissioner to the wife on shop packing matters. Tomorrow, you will even do more than this. Okay, now for instance example, your wife is waiting for him to come and pack today, and you pack today. Tomorrow you pack. Next tomorrow you pack. What will happen the whole week? Women, let me tell you about women. Women, you are not supposed to give them soft handing. For instance, example, give a woman 2 steps, she will request for 4. Give her 4 steps, she will now request for yard. Okay, fine. Take the 20 naira from your wife, go and buy her pure water. Tomorrow she will send you to market to go and buy ogiri. Eat your ogiri. Buy that ogiri. Tomorrow she will ask you to go and cook that ogiri. Cook the ogiri. All the weekend you will be mopping the floor, washing the dirty pot, the dirty plate, and all that. From there, they will turn you to rag. Before you know it, your wife will now tell you when to eat and when not to eat. These women are wicked. Some are good. For instance, my wife. I know my wife, and she know me too. When I look at my wife like this, if I'm hungry, she just take a look on my eyes. She will run to the kitchen. Bring me food, sit. Then once I'm done with the food, I just sit like this. I look at her. She know it is her time to come and pack the dirty plate. She will come and pack it. My wife dare not to talk to me anyhow or send me on errand.
Now you're a singer. You're a singer. This is sounding like music. Hey!
Exactly. Pamper a woman. Just for instance now, pamper a woman, you are making her dull baby. She will be dull and lazy. Make them lazy. Okay, look at the way to treat women. Once you are coming, hey! Mama Kechi, where is my food? Say, darling, I'm coming, oh. I'm sorry, oh. I was unable to prepare the food. Do not make this mistake again. Your wife will know you are a man. Wait, I forgot something.
Nah, you better sit back, oh.
Relax.
Jumbo!
Imagine if I allow him now, he will after walking this shit, he go to the shop and walk.
Did you read this thing?
I read it.
Tell your mother that I will come and see her tomorrow. Oh yeah now. Bye. Oh. What is it?
But Jumbo threw me out of his house.
No, maybe I didn't hear you well. Nagi, just let me hear you well.
Mama Simgi, brother Jumbo Nkanye. He threw me out of his house, mommy.
Makagenesi.
Just because I called Sister Ifoma. Just because I called her, because the wife was treating him very bad. I had to go and call my sister to come and caution her. That was the only thing I did. He threw me out of the house.
Hey! What are you going to call there? Hey! Hey! This is no longer ordinary. Oh. Yeah, was there cha.
Mama, you need to do something. Anything you are doing, do it very fast. Act very fast. You only me also so.
I will go to that city. I will go. Let me go there and see what is happening there. Mama, and if I get to that city, out of two things, one must happen. Nimi henabo, ofuge melele. Opa madu wongo de unata. They are going to back.
Mama, because Opa is in honor. Friend, you put in. Let me give you food.
If not that bro Jumbo is my elder brother, I can make their vam. I can make their jaga. Hey,
how do you mean?
I was just in the shop. Chika ran to me and told me how his wife has been maltreating him.
Yes.
I went to Obianuju and said, why are you maltreating your husband? Uncle Chakwa. Jumbo came to my shop to flog me.
You mean that bro Jumbo left his house because of that his stupid wife? I came to your shop here to embarrass my own sister. For what?
Bro Aloy, now I am beginning to think that Bro Jumbo is under a spell.
How do you mean?
I'm telling you now. I had this suggestion from one of my neighbors, and that my neighbor gets sense well.
If you want to there's a phone there.
Oh.
One name working a listen why. I'll go to his house and talk to him.
That is if he's going to open his door for you.
Then I'll break the door. Let me go see him.
I'm waiting for you. Ralo, I'm waiting.
So you're seated here and I was packing all those things all alone in the shop. What happened? Why didn't you come to help me?
Help you as what?
As what? I don't understand.
Should there come a time in a man's life when his eyes is closed, something in him moves him to open his eyes. Now my eye have cleared.
My husband, I don't understand what you're saying. This is the normal thing. Every day you come to the shop to help me pack goods back into the shop. Why didn't you come today? That's what I'm asking, and I don't understand why you're giving me this whole story.
You know, from the way I'm seeing you, you used to be at the front row of children that used to do debate in primary school and secondary school. So that is why it is in your blood to be talking every time. I'm talking to you right now. Now let me tell you. I had decided to stamp my authority as the man in this house. Yes, I used to be the wife of the house. Now I am taking back my original position as the husband, and then you go back to the original and default position as the wife.
But you're the head. You're my husband. Nobody is struggling that with you. How can you say something like that? You're always the husband. How can I be the husband and you the wife? That's not possible now. My husband, okay. Whatever it is, I am sorry. The truth is, I don't like the way you sound. This is not the way we are.
Look at the way you're looking at me. You're talking so that you think you can use detergent and water and wash my head and wash, and then you rinse me and hang in the sun so that, oh no, it's not going to work. It's not working. I am going to take my original position in this family as the man, which I am, and you will be the woman.
Yes, sir. Nobody is struggling your position with you.
You're arguing with me. I'm talking and you're talking.
No, sir.
You're talking and okay, you're carrying your hand up like this, which signifies slap.
Slap?
That's double slap. You're setting your hand to slap me because I'm talking.
Sorry, sir.
Stand up.
I should stand up.
No, squat up. I said stand up. You're standing up and you're doing for me in my house.
My husband, what is all of this?
Sit down. Sit down.
Yes, I need to sit. We need to sit and have this conversation. We need to talk about.
Sit and talk about what you want. Stand up.
I should stand again.
You're fighting me. Sit.
I don't like what.
Stand.
Stop this. Stop it. I don't like what you're doing. I just go back. I'm tired.
When I say, I didn't say sit. When I say, as I'm starting, you do like this and you suspend.
My husband, please. I'm so. What did I do? What have I said? Why are you punishing me?
Oh, you are fighting my authority in this house. Hold it there. Until I change my mind.
Uncle Jumbo, Emeregi Abura Madu Meregi Vasi Wachi Kwekwana here.
Just come. You know, you are my sister. And you know the way we used to do. You know, I'm the only one I used to call you Eugene. Tell me, what is the problem?
Chinny, can I be honest with you? Yeah. I don't know what is happening. I'm trying my possible best to bring out the love we used to share, but I don't know what is happening. Maybe it's Jumbo's fault, or because me, it's not my fault. I don't know.
I don't understand. Are you not just think of something? Just tell me something. You know you trust me. Please tell me. Tell me so that let me know where to come in. Trust me. I can handle it.
I am equally confused. I don't know what is happening. I can't explain it. It's not my fault.
So are you trying to tell me now that the fault is not from you?
No. Yeah, it's not from me. I think it's from Jumbo. It's not from me.
Why are you so in a hurry? My husband, how will you leave without telling me? You should have at least told me that you were heading to my love.
Chineye, aka alias If Men Were God, I would have told you. I've obtained permission from you before leaving my own house. Chineye.
That's not what I'm saying. That's not what I'm saying, DJ. I'm not saying that. I just want to know if you'll be coming to the shop today to help me pack the goods after the whole day.
Chineye, as what?
As my husband, as my helper, as my king, as my everything.
I'm not everything to you. Before you know it now, you call me your arm robber. I'm not everything. Please. Listen to me. I know your challenges. You don't want to say your mind. A wife is supposed to be open to the husband. Tell me that thing that is in your mind.
My husband, okay, see, I'm sorry. I don't know what I've done to you. You've changed. I don't know why you talk to me anyhow. You treat me.
Oh, I talk anyhow.
No, I
talk anyhow.
My husband, I can't do this anymore. I can't do it all alone. I need your help at the shop. I can't. It's just too much for me.
See, don't bother call me all that my husband. Leave it. What? Tell me your mind. That thing that is in your mind. Call me my houseboy. Call me my bingo. Bingo. That is how to call me. You hear? Yes. That is how to call me. So that I will really know my position in this house. I was having water in my mouth when I told you I'm not going to help you do anything again inside that shop.
I'm sorry. Whatever it is I have done to you, forgive me. I just need your help.
You need my help as your king. Kings go to carry things inside shop, isn't it? If I'm really your king, don't you know that I'm supposed to be sitting down here and then you'll be doing Igwe. That is what you're supposed to be doing for me. But you say I should go and start packing things for you. No problem. I don't have any problem. I don't blame you. How will I blame you now? I don't blame you. Get thee behind me, Satan. Satan.
I can't do it alone.
Your mouth will love your mouth. It's in the devil. Time. It's in the Wednesday. What's your name now? Oh, just about Kuro, I'm marking something. It's in the Wednesday. So good. Mama!
What are you doing?
Okay, sanitation, tidy, sweeping the compound, keeping it clean.
Sanitation, keeping the house clean. Mpoki Wabu Jumbo. While your wife is there, drinking beer. We are doing about now, beer. And now tidy, now keep clean, now sanitize. Jumbo is so the man. Are you out of your senses?
I mean, no, I'm not like a papa. Papa can treat you anyhow he likes. But look at my lovely, beautiful queen, my wife. You called her my wife. And she's my wife. I can do any duty. And she can do anything. Mama, don't put your mouth there.
Emia. Obianuju, you are there watching your husband sweeping the compound. You don't ever know who there. You are there drinking alcohol. Are you on the fire? You are there watching me. Oh, Obioma, this is total conspiracy. Eh? So you are here and this kind of thing is happening in my son's house.
What is happening in your son's house?
Your daughter was there watching Jumbo sweeping the compound. Oh no, here.
What is wrong in that? Oh. Are they not husband and wife? Mama, tell her. You know what is wrong with you, eh? Makanibu old school, yes. You understand? If not, you will know that love is blind. Love can make a husband do undo. And in case you don't know, he washes my pants.
Jesus! So being husband and wife will make a man perform the duty of a woman.
Of course, that is good living.
Obioma, you are a fool.
What did you say?
I will disown you now.
I'm going to
do something now.
I disown you.
I'm going to do something. Mother! I am going to do something. Initially, I thought it was a joke. Now, for you to insult my sweet mother, in fact, you have gone beyond the limit. Mama, this is your bag. By the time I reach that gate, and they are not with me, I'm going to bring you forcefully.
Jumbo, are you doing this?
Mama, don't worry, wait, let me move.
Leave my house.
Yes, your bag is already here. Iwa, let them hear my voice because I'm going to do something. Mama, let me not push you.
Hey! You threw my bag.
Yes, and I'm going to throw you now. Mama, at count of 3. Leave my house.
Get out!
You heard my mother-in-law say get out. That is jump out. Mama, out. For you to insult my beautiful wife and the in-law, my mother-in-law, before me. Mommy coming together.
Hey! Jumbo, you are throwing me out of your house.
Mama,
Jumbo, you're going to make me here.
Mama,
you're the one doing this.
1, 2,
Get out! Get out!
Get out!
Let me switch.
No problem.
Get out!
And don't come.
Give it out.
Mama, don't come back. Come on, no, they made me here. How can
you throw me out like that? We shall see. You will regret it.
If I didn't do anything now, they said that Jumbo, I'm not a man.
Come. Now we are you mad? Why will you hold my drink like that? Okay. Oh, using your dirty hand to rub on the drink I'm drinking.
Sorry. Yeah? Come here, but sorry, I'm very sorry. Forgive her!
This is the way she just insulted me.
I saw it.
This is the way she just insulted me.
You're my baby. I can't leave this man without you. I love you so much. Forgive you. What is not going to happen? That's myself now. That's myself now.
You want to marry Queen Elizabeth, yeah. Now there you put your own investment, yeah.
Uncle Jumbo purposely doing this thing? Must we wait for him every morning? Eh? I don't like this. I'm tired. Let us go to work.
I don't know why he like to carry your hand, he dey find trouble. You dey carry your hand, it be like mama put, he dey dish trouble, put, he dey eat all the trouble where he dey eat, he dey dish. Are you in trouble, mama put trouble, son? How we go, waka begin to go, we no go call am, where this man no go talk, say we dey plan on top of this matter.
Huh? Yes. Okay, for that, going to his house. If you want to begin to go to the house, now begin to think to start to go better, because as we are hanging around here, most of the people living around here start suspecting.
Can you know what they far? What kind of life is this? More Bonug. Bonug of all people. Kanwamuramu, my son, drove me out of his house. I was full of shame. I was full of shame. I couldn't believe what I saw. I swear with my life.
But wait, let me ask you. Why did you come to the city in the first place?
I didn't know it has gotten to this extent. I said, let me come to the city and know what is happening. Let me see if I can correct some impressions without knowing that this is what I am going to see.
Mama, I am telling you that Bro Jumbo came to my shop with 2 keys in his hands. Came to my shop in front of my customers, in front of my girls. Bro Jumbo came to flog me. As a small child, as a baby, small body no good. If I was tall and huge like you, Bro Jumbo will not do that to me.
It is not even what you think. Jumbo is insane. He is no longer with his senses. I'm sure. Can you go and get seen Mudio Mama? I can't cobble.
This same thing you're saying is exactly what my neighbor told me. My neighbor told me that Bro Jumbo might be under a spell and he needs deliverance.
Exactly. Biko, direct me on how to locate Aloy's house. I want to go there now. Let us put heads together and know how to tackle this problem.
Mama, even if I direct you to Bro Aloy's place, you might not be able to locate it. So you know what? Just back cool. Just calm down. Once I close my shop for the day, I will take you there myself. Oh?
Hi! Jumbo, that I carried 9 months in my womb. See, let me tell you. If I ever find out that Obianuju is behind this problem, I swear.
Mama, leave Obianuju for me. It's Bro Jumbo you should focus on. Just leave Adrumolu for me.
My brother, you are a wise man. I salute your wiseness. Is it that formula where you give me? You sabi woman. You see? It work.
You see? Can you hear him talking?
It work.
Now you have your respect. And if your wife wants to talk to you, she will talk to you with respect. And we are still doing all this.
You are a fool. Look at you. You are happy now because he taught you how to wicked your wife.
Wicked? Is that wickedness? What are you saying? Can you differentiate wickedness from being foolish? Let me tell you, Bible said that we should love our wife, but that does not mean you should love your wife foolishly. Be wise like serpent. It's even in the Bible. Though I cannot remember the chapter, the book. Don't worry, love your wife.
You know that you hate women.
When you talk at times, I begin to wonder. Now look at the question you dropped, that I hate women.
Jumbo, you hate women.
But you know that this man here I'm married. If I'm married, then how can you now back up your question that I hate women? My brother, are you not in love with your wife?
Yes.
You love your wife.
The Bible say in the book of the Bible say
But forget the chapter. You can just give us what the Bible says.
In the book of Zacchaeus.
Zacchaeus.
Second Zacchaeus, page 4. That you give it to me, he give it to you. Meaning, you do somebody something, they do it the person.
That must be Old Testament. It must be Old Testament. Because I know Zacchaeus is an old man.
Yes, in the book of Old Testament, in somewhere is eye for eye.
Eye for eye.
Yes. And I like Old Testament because I am not a young man. You give it to me, I give it to you.
I love that your song. When you give it to me, I give it to you.
Give it to me, I give it to you. You give it to me, I give it to you.
Give it to me, I give it to you.
I want you to tell me the truth and nothing but the truth. What is happening in your house? What is the problem in this house?
Mama, the truth is that I'm no longer enjoying this marriage.
Why?
Mama, nothing.
What do you mean by nothing? Why are you no longer happy in your marriage?
Mama, the truth is that I don't love John Bull anymore. I'm no longer in love with him.
Only shut up! Are you insane? You made that choice yourself.
Yes, Mama, I agree. I made the choice myself. But I started developing hatred for him. I don't force love at first. I don't love him again.
Are you telling me that John Bull threw you out of his house? Jane, I'm as surprised as you are.
I don't know what is wrong with him. I've checked for him for like 2 days now. I don't see him.
I think it depends on the time you went there. You know, he usually goes out early for work.
Okay.
Don't worry, eh? You see what will happen? We are going to block him very early tomorrow. Very early in the morning.
Wow.
I must know the reason of his attitude.
Wow. Mama, you've said it all, and I'm going there with you people. We're there.
You cannot meet up. We will go as early as possible. Unless you will sleep here. Mama,
allow me to go with you people. So that
if you calm down, me and Mama will handle this case. Don't worry.
Mama, people should allow you for now.
Oh, allow her.
Oh.
Baby, please take a moment to her room, okay?
I don't know what is happening to me. How? I started developing this hatred for my husband.
Do you have any man aside him?
How can you talk like that? God forbid. You don't have anybody aside him. No. Just that whenever I see him, Jesus, I just want to kill him, like end his life, wipe him from the surface of this earth. This is evil. Just want him gone.
You need to see a man of God. Something is wrong somewhere. This is not ordinary. Your mind is telling you to kill your husband. God forbid bad thing you do.
Do you know that your sister is the cause of everything happening in that house?
Mama, how?
She said she doesn't love her husband anymore.
What does she mean by that? If she does not love her husband anymore, she should come back to the village. Instead of her killing herself in that place, she better come back. She should better come back.
I told her. She said, not now.
No, I
don't know.
Mama, you better send a message across to her. send a message across to her that she should come back instead of her killing an innocent man.
Mama, in short, I am going to the city to go and see her. I am going to see with my eyes. Let me see. Because I know my sister very well. She cannot do such a thing.
You don't know her anymore.
Mama.
You don't know Obianuju again.
Chineye! Chineye, is my food not ready? Chineye! Chineye! Oh. Go and bring my night food.
Which food?
My evening food and night food.
There's no food.
Go inside there and bring my food now. My night food. Before I faint. It don't used to happen like this. Before you know it, Red Cross will come and carry people. Go and bring my food. I don't want to die of it.
No, it's better I start dying on time now because there's no food. And it's a long story. You know how to pack the goods into the shop by myself alone. And by the time I finished doing that, I ran to the food sellers and I discovered that they had all closed. And I thought to myself, what if my husband assisted me? Probably it would have been faster and then I would get food stuff and we'll be having dinner together. No, my husband did not. No food.
Chineye, who initiated you into witchcraft? Who initiated you into witchcraft? Tell me, because you're just exhibiting the symptoms of a witch and witchery right now. God of Abraham, God of Isaac, God of Moses, God please hold me. Gabriel, where are you? Gabriel, my hand is scratching me. My hand is... I want to beat a person.
Don't even try. Don't even think of it. Don't try it.
I can't do it.
What is it?
Come, let's pray inside. Come and go inside. Just come and sleep inside.
I don't want to sleep inside. I'm okay here.
When did you start sleeping in the parlor?
Today, and I'm okay with it.
Okay, come, let's talk.
What happened? What is your problem? Get out of here and laugh.
Hey! What is this? What is what? Huh? What is what? Come out!
Wicked man.
Who is wicked?
You're wicked!
What's wicked? Look at your mouth. You're not sharpening mouth for me. What will a man do to a woman? What will a man do to a woman to deserve this kind of treatment? Me, in my own very house. They have not given me evening food yesterday night. And they didn't give me morning food. What kind of a wife yet I give you money for food? You want to kill me?
Look at my husband. Does he look like someone that is not being fed?
How come she's telling you that your stomach is going up every day?
Why should I be answering questions on behalf of my stomach? Okay, my stomach. Where are you going? This is your question.
Look at the kind of husband I married.
Now my stomach is telling me that the food that is inside this stomach is the one it has stopped since when my mother used to be giving me food. I married a wife. I didn't know I married a witch. Look at my mates. My mates who are married. If you see the shelf that they put drugs, it is multivitamin tablets, multivitamin tablets and all of that. That is it. My own shelf. Ask me, what do I have on my shelf of drugs? Purging drugs, headache drugs, paracetamol for high headache. Very soon, I will be having hypertension drugs and drugs for temporary madness. What kind of nonsense? Just because I am married.
If my husband is possessed, my husband talks to me anyhow, treats me anyhow, embarrasses me anywhere. The little thing that my husband does for me, which is to help me pack my things into the shop. My husband does not do it.
I am the one who is possessed.
You are possessed. Something is wrong with you.
Chineye, I am possessed.
You are not my husband.
You are the one who is possessed. By their weavon, you shall know them. Tell me how a person who is not possessed will carry a weavon that looks red. Red is signified danger.
I don't know that color head.
We are like color head.
What? Go inside. Go inside.
You beat me. I'll not go.
What? Stop beating her.
I'll not go.
You are the one that advised me to stop beating all these my small girlfriends. Why are you beating your wife now?
Uncle Jumbo, emeregi eme, abura madu emeregi fasi kwa chikwe kwa kwana.
Stop, Jumbo. God, it has gotten to extent of blocking me and my mama to enter into the house. It will never, you are not going inside. Okay, the other time, Informa reported to me that he wanted to flog her inside her shop. Oh, wanted. Go back to Informa like she's hiding some things for you. Let me tell you, make it past tense. I flogged the Informa mercilessly. Warrior, let her tell you the truth. And for Mama will not dare to enter. In fact, Mama will not smell the inner of this house. My inner house. Your own mother. Yes. Because I noticed that her intention is to come inside here, frustrate, discomfort, fight my wife. It will never happen. This house, go to your house. Don't talk much. What are you saying? If you go Wemo, you are not going anywhere.
Jumbo, I've heard you, and I will leave your house for you. No problem. But let me remind you. You see this thing you're doing, you will regret it. Time shall come when you will look for me, but I will not be there for you. Aloy, let us go.
You heard what Mama said? As if I'm deaf and dumb. Mama said you will regret this. And that time you will call me.
I will call you.
Yes.
As if I'm deaf. I cannot hear what Mama said. You are not crossing it. And now let me cross it back. I will not regret.
Can you imagine?
I will not
let me tell you something. You are sinking.
I'm sinking.
In this one. Do one. Can you imagine my brother?
Allow me. I'm the John Bull. Let me carry the bull. If I like, I eat the sheep food. If I like, I eat the bullshit. Let me carry it. Who is sinking? John Bull is sinking. Who is so I'm saying, oh, my wife, you are beautiful. I will do anything for you.
Mama, I'm planning to go to the city tomorrow to see Sister Obianiju.
You can't go tomorrow. No. I just came back from the city. Just allow everything to cool down first.
Mama, everything cool down. When is this going to end, Mama? Mama, please, allow her to go so she can keep her company.
No. It will look as if we are trooping in there and it's all good.
Mama, Biko, don't stop me. I have to go and see her. She's my sister. We understand ourselves. Mama, Biko, don't stop me, please. I am begging. Mama, Biko.
It's okay. You said tomorrow. That means I'll go to the market to buy something.
Thank you, Mama.
Mama, let me help.
No, not the baby.
Hey, Raloy, are you telling me that Bro Jumbo insisted Mama should go back to the village with nothing? Empty-handed? Yeah,
Jumbo sending Mama back to village empty-handed is understatement. Mama told Jumbo that he will regret it. Jumbo looked at Mama and said to her that he will regret nothing.
Mama, is it not clear enough? Oh my God, now it is crystal clear that this is not ordinary. Is it not obvious?
I am not surprised because when Jumbo wanted to marry Obianuju, said she's not yet ready to get married. And you told her what? What do you want me to tell her? Will I force her to get married? She said she's not yet ready. I didn't tell her anything. Is she not ripe for marriage? She's even overripe. How can she open her mouth and say that she is not yet ready to marry? Oh my God. Unless she has a plan. What will I do? She said she's not ready. But maybe later I'll talk to her again. That is what she said. So what the wrong? Come here, Navan. Let me start going. If there is any changes, you let me know. Oh? Jumbo.
Mama.
At the look of things now, Obianuju doesn't want you. In fact, she is never ready for marriage. So if I may suggest, look for another girl to marry and forget about Obianuju. Because what the mother said did not entice me at all.
Mama, let it not sound as if you are talking from the both sides of your mouth. She doesn't want you, she's not yet ready, she's this and she's that. More than you are saying all that because Obianuju in question has not set her eyes on this elegant man. I am too handsome. I took after Papa. Look at your nose. Look at my nose. Check the height of my father. The height. Let me tell you, Mother, all I need is just to arrange a meeting point, a meeting day with Obianuju. Obianuju will succumb. What are you saying?
Jumbo, this is not the matter of being handsome or being ugly. Marriage, find a girl, look for a girl that will love you, a girl that is ready to get married. Mother,
thou shalt not stress our little brain for nothing. You know me, John Bull. Spell what you pronounce what you John Bull. Johnbull. I never ever try to lay my hands on any pie, and that pie doesn't follow me. If they let that pie scatter, Mother, this one, she will fall in love, and I will be the husband. Relax! I'm a handsome man. I am Mommy Njaga.
After telling my son what you told me about your daughter, he said he would like to come and see her. So I hope she's around. Okay, let me check whether she's around. Obianuju! Obianuju! Mama. Please come.
Good evening, Ma. You're welcome, sir.
It's about that thing I told you. They're here to see you.
I'm the one. It's me.
Mama, I thought I told you something. Excuse me, ma.
Jombulu. Nemo, I've seen. Nah, God, go in. Let us go. It's okay. Oh, hey, even we. Hey, so no, you let her accept us.
Yes, Mama.
Me and my guy didn't win me lie. Don't mind me. Hey, oh my.
Are you not one of them, Mama? You're supposed to know better. You're supposed to know more than me. Give a woman what she wants.
She will fall for you. What have you given her that made her to fall for you?
I want to forget
just because she loves you.
Mama, you should know that your son is very handsome. And he's funny too.
Mama, get that! I'm a funny man. Sorry, not a funny. I'm a funny man.
You know, funny man.
I'm a handsome man.
Ah, Mama, that means it's not Obenju's fault. Jumbo forced her into the marriage.
Hey, Broloy, you don't get me off point.
More than a couple of points.
If you were not my brother, did you not hear Mama say that she later accepted?
When next you are talking to me and raise your voice, I will slap her along you.
Oh yeah,
it's okay.
And I warn her.
Aloy, please, I don't need another quarrel.
Imagine, just warn her.
Is that why we are here?
Mechiano, even if all of you, my children, reject me, I wouldn't mind. I will just stay back in the village.
Mama, nobody's rejecting you. Nobody's rejecting you.
I told you that Obeniju later accepted Jumbo.
Mama, but excuse me. This thing still marvels me. How can you call a human being Jumbo? In a Checheran name, can you boy Jumbo? Can you imagine?
Yeah, not
please, let's go. Let's go.
The name is not the problem.
Mama, let's go. Mama,
I'm coming. Hey!
Nemo, just hold on. You will not go to that village empty-handed. If we best salon, something. Let me give you something.
Mama, why you be fair? Don't mind them.
Hide it from our mom so you can still give you
money. Hey! Please, don't ever step in that house. Zico, how the warning give you? I need a better area for you.
Mama, leave it.
Let them live their life.
Mama,
Yeah, Jumbo. What did your people tell you?
What?
Jumbo!
What? What?
Answer my question, Okwea. Till you come back, would you get you gone? Go and come back.
Listen. I said listen, keep quiet when I want to talk. You keep quiet. What is all this nonsense? Why are you calling me? What are you calling me for? Oh, actually you called me out from my working place where I was working just to tell me you are hungry. You need food, you can't cook. Listen, I said shut up your mouth and listen. I'm your husband here. Yes, I'm not a houseboy. Listen, you have your rice. You have your beans, you have your yam, you have your cocoyam. Can't you cook? Cook your food. Let me warn you. I said don't come. Shut up, yes. Shh. Now, do not ever try this thing again, this nonsense. Don't call me again for nonsense, for unreasonable matters. You know who I am? I'm your husband. You're supposed to call me for a reasonable. Bye, and I cut this call now. Nonsense.
Jumbo, I'm talking to your wife. What?
And just imagine she called me now that she's hungry. No, imagine, that was why she called.
That she's hungry.
Imagine. Hi. She want me to go and get her food from a restaurant or from Mr. B's.
Hey.
Yes.
Hey. For what?
Imagine.
Nonsense. Nonsense. See, let me tell you, thank you for bringing this training to me. If you were a lion in beating women, I am a bigger lion.
Make yourself an elephant so that you can crush and demolish anything under your feet.
You see that my house, I am not a lion and elephant alone. In fact, I am a zoo. I am a collection of all the wild animals inside that my house. Anyone that come, I crush them.
You crush it.
And I'll have everything all in one.
For news, Jumbo, let me ask you this question. What of if somebody is in good terms with his wife?
Huh? Hold on. If you're in good terms with your wife, it is evil.
Evil! Because you need to test. You need to try that good term to know whether that good term is under pretense.
The Bible created you as a God created you as a man. And in the Bible, in the book of 2nd Zacchaeus, page 2, he said, go and have dominion over everything. Your wife, your compound, your working place. That is what Bible says. Yes. So you have to pepper your wife. Pepper her.
If the woman is happy every day, it's under pretense. Make her to cry. Yes. Pepper her. What are you saying? Let me go and continue my work.
Do you know the different kinds and formats of cry that your wife has? You only know one style of cry and you are satisfied. Investigate, beat her to know all the kind of her cries. From know all of it. I have known 11.
I don't stay in the village. It's if I just returned. I'm not gonna give up on her.
You must go. I'm just advising you.
I'm not going.
You know what they'll do to you if you don't go for the meeting? You know what will happen?
Mama! Why is your face like this now? What is the problem?
Allow me to rest first. Thank you. Is there any food in the house? I'm hungry.
I prepared rice.
Let
me help you carry your bag.
By choice.
Do you know that when I got there, the mother was already there, life and direct.
Mama was it's a lie.
She even fought me. I call her nasty.
She fought you?
We fought.
Mama. But she was not there when I left the house.
Let me finish. That one is not even the matter. The matter there is that my own son, Jumbo,
Brother Jumbo,
drove me out of his house.
Drove you out of the house?
He chased me away with the bottle. Bottle of Juji and we gonna bottle beer.
Mama, what is happening? What is the cause of this whole problem? What went wrong? Obianju, I know is not. She was never like this. She's a good woman, very homely.
I don't know if to call it manipulation or what.
Mabiko, don't go there. Manipulation? Who is manipulating who? My brother Jumbo, he is not wealthy. So why will Obianju want to manipulate him?
Chika, you never can tell.
Mama, what to do? Chick, hey!
Tell me why you were asking me. Okay. Jambu! Are you not the one I'm talking to? Start talking. Why were you answering me? Okay, on the phone, like that. Hey, maybe you were with your girlfriends.
Me? Oh, I was not with my girlfriend. I was inside the manager's office. Manager called me. Something big was damaging. Your call came in. I said, let me not prolong the call to avoid a double punishment or double problem. I was using that okay, just to bridge. I don't want you to know our discussion. In fact, I swear with my mother's life. I swear with my own life. I swear I don't have any girlfriend. And you know I cannot lie to you. Hey, God!
Okay, Mechi, shut up your stupid mouth. Listen, I don't care if you have 200 girlfriends or whether you were in heaven or hell. I don't care. I want to tell you to warn your people. Warn your people because I will start with you. The other day, your stupid mother came and fought my mother, and I kept quiet. Warn them because I'm going to show them my real character. If you and I will start with you. I will start with you. Next time, something like that will happen. What I will do to you? What I will do to you? Just
Honey, please come and on the generator. Start the generator.
Okay. Honey, I'm sorry. I'm very, very tired. I can't start gen now.
I don't understand you. How can you be tired just to start ordinary generator?
What do you mean? So it has become a special duty for me to start gen. Okay, no trouble. Wait for me. I will start the gen for you.
You mean you will sit here and we'll go and start gen for you?
Listen, let me tell you. It's like you want to know what I will do. Let me tell you, when we were small, we don't know what is generator. We were using this local candle, Obe and Dembo. If you don't know. Go and use your lamp. Don't find a more.
Obi, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, you. Please. The other day, you saw the way I shouted at my mother. Even I threatened to Ekuya bottle. Even I chased her out of the house. I'm doing all these things for you, because of you, and for you, and you all. And just for you alone. For the love. Forgive me. Oh.
Did I ask you to chase her out? Did I ask you to chase her out? Oh, make it out.
Make you take it cover. Make you take it cover. By choice. Obuzonya no gato no giwanem. Eba bungi kere ya bunu. Jambulu you to the light. Jambulu you to the form.
Rudy, go inside and go and get me water to drink. I'm off here. Why this sudden hatred for my husband? Could this be manipulation? I don't have anyone else aside him.
Yeah, for the first time somebody bears a name and that person just look like the name.
Okay.
Just turn.
Oh, you're making me shy.
Don't worry, let me see that thing that triggered my attention. Oh my gosh. But I don't need to enter you now. You are inside. Don't give me food throughout this week. Don't stop touching me. Stop touching me. I'm blessing you. Doing this thing, I like turning it like this.
Like it.
It's making me too.
Yeah.
It's tickling me. I love it.
Husband and wife.
You're welcome.
Babylon.
Memo.
This love that started this morning is still going on here.
After now, I may say I eat after.
But Obianuju, he would have followed us to the farm now. Eh?
My mama did even man. She woke up and was like, where is mama? Where is mama? Looking for you visually everywhere. I said, for what? She said she wants to join you people to the farm.
No problem. Tomorrow is another day.
When I look at the flower in your eyes, I feel like she's feeling ashamed.
Maybe go and start teaching and give you something.
Obi, where is Chika?
Chika is cooking.
Oh, Chika, come here.
Brother?
Come here.
No.
What were you doing inside there?
But I'm cooking inside the kitchen.
You are cooking and you allowed her to sweep the compound. What stops you from doing the sweeping? Then after mop in the kitchen.
I have to cook food first.
You are cooking the head of a tortoise.
My love, don't worry yourself. Let her continue with the cooking. I'm not complaining. I can sweep the whole compound.
Are you comfortable?
Yes, I am.
Thank you very much, Stalji.
You're welcome.
Mama, thank God. Imagine what she
allowed my wife to sweep the compound. My newly married wife to sweep the compound. I'm not going to kitchen. Come on here.
Jumbo, what is that?
She allowed my wife to sweep the compound.
What is bad about that?
Oh, wow. And she's not even complaining. You are the one trying to spoil this girl, I'm coming here in jail.
Let us just joke about it. Chika, I'm kukume o. Nda kukume no.
Listen very carefully. Any day you lay your filthy hands on my sister, you didn't make that day.
Yes.